Arpitha from Dayanand College of Engineering. I have done my engineering in information science of engineering, and I have joined the JSPIDERS Rajajinagar before 2 months, and I am working in the corporate company now. And yes, this is the best platform for the freshers to learn the technical things as well as to get your dream job. And the teaching is very good here. If you are from other non-IT field also, it is the best platform I was advising for the freshers. And yeah, you can learn even soft skills also. And I will suggest for juniors JSPIDERS Rajajinagar to build your career. Thank you.